The case Sony Kabushiki Kaish vs. Shamrao Maskar, Air 1985 Bomb 327 is a significant trademark law case decided by the Bombay High Court on February 15, 1984. It revolves around the opposition to the registration of the trademark, Sony, for nail polish under the Trade and Merchandise Marks Act, 1958, particularly under Sections 11A and 109(2). Key details. Parties *. The petitioner, Sony Kabushiki Kaish, also known as Sony Corporation, a Japanese company, is a globally recognized manufacturer of electronic goods, e.g., radios, speakers, earphones, batteries, under the trademark SONY, registered in Class 9. The respondent, Shamrao Maskar, sought to register the trademark Sony for nail polish, a product falling under a different class. Issue *. The primary issue was whether the registration of the trademark Sony for nail polish was likely to deceive or cause confusion among consumers, given Sony Corporation's established reputation and use of the Sony mark for electronic goods. Legal provisions *. The case hinged on Section 11A of the Trade and Merchandise Marks Act, 1958, which prohibits the registration of a trademark if it is likely to deceive or cause confusion. Petitioner's argument *. Sony Corporation argued that their Sony trademark was extensively advertised worldwide and had become strongly associated with their electronic products. They contended that the use of Sony for nail polish could mislead consumers into believing there was a trade connection between the nail polish and Sony Corporation, causing confusion. Respondent's argument *. The respondent argued that their goods, nail polish, were entirely different from Sony's electronic products, and thus, there was no likelihood of confusion. Evidence *. Sony Corporation submitted an affidavit from Mitsuo Takakashi, dated July 29, 1974, to support their claim of global brand recognition. The respondent countered with affidavits from Shamrao Ramchandra Maskar, dated June 9, 1975, and Gopal Das Jivatrang Lalwani, dated July 2, 1975. Court's ruling *. The Bombay High Court held that the registration of Sony for nail polish was likely to cause confusion or deception among consumers due to Sony Corporation's well-established reputation. The court emphasized the global recognition of the Sony mark and its association with the petitioner's products, ruling that the respondent's use of the mark could mislead the public. Significance. This case underscores the principle of trademark law that a well-known mark, even if registered for a specific class of goods, can prevent the registration of an identical or similar mark in a different class if it is likely to cause confusion or deception. It highlights the importance of brand reputation and consumer perception in trademark disputes. For further details, you can refer to the case on legal databases such as Indian Qanun.